Hello, friends. Let's continue with our series. We are going to now begin with the queue data structure in our DSA series. Let's get right into it. So, starting off with some importing of the classes. We define our public class. Our default function. Now we define our queue. We are going to be adding some elements to our queue now. Not add, and we're gonna copy this. Let's copy this. Oh, and after this we paste it and paste it and paste it and paste it. What's wrong with the spaces? Let's fix that real quick. So we're going to be adding some messages now. Let's see what should we add. All right. So we are going to be adding this little message, and once we are done with this we will be printing. So after adding some of the queue, after adding some of the words, or let's just say after adding some of the strings in our queue, we simply get to the print statement which says queue after enqueuing, and we add the queue. It shows what our queue looks like after adding these strings. So while our queue is not empty, perform a condition, the condition that does string front equal to queue dot remove. So whatever you are going to be removing from the queue, it will be automatically added to the string front, right? Then we have system dot out dot println dequeued plus front. So whatever a dequeue plus the string front, and whatever the string front is, it is queue dot remove. So whatever you got after the removal of the element from the queue, right? So basically dequeue. Once that's done, once the queue goes empty and all of the elements are removed, we have system.out.println queue after dequeuing plus equals, right? Not equals, it will be a queue. Actually, I must have not paid attention. All right, it looks fine. Let's try and run this, and there we go. So the queue after enqueuing is hello world. This is queue, right? Then upon dequeue, we have dequeued hello, we have dequeued world, we have dequeued this, we have dequeued is, we have dequeued queue, right? The queue after dequeuing is an empty queue, right? So that's how you are able to perform the queue operations, like adding strings. You can even add integers, you can add characters and stuff like that, and you can then remove them, you can dequeue them and print them. It is very similar to stack, except the main difference between a stack and a queue is the difference between the filo, which is the first in last out, and the other one, which is the why is my audio lagging a little bit? I hope there is no lag in the recording. So in any case, uh, your stack will work on the last in first out, as I've already informed you, and your queue will be working on the first in first out, right? So in the queue, whatever goes into the queue first is the first one to get out. You can think of it like a real queue when you are standing on a ticket booking counter, or when you are standing on a queue for a movie theater and so on, right? So that's what the main difference is regarding these two. I hope you were able to understand this problem, and thank you for watching.